got 1,000-watt RMS subs, handling the 3K.
Wow.
Barely.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Nice.
I didn't want to see the back. You can open up the back.
Yes, sir.
6 Colt 15s on 3 MD 12Ks wired at 1 ohm.
Okay.
210 amp hours yin lows.
These are the half-full versions?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Well, at 1 ohm, I cleared 6K out each one.
Okay.
I got 1,000-watt RMS subs, handling the 3K.
Wow.
Barely. You know, we'll give you some 20 hertz.
Okay.
It's real musical.
Looks really good.
Really punchy.
Did you build this into the vehicle? Oh
In
yeah.
the vehicle, fast fire.
9 in. Okay.
Custom, I did it myself. Those design and
Yes, sir. What's your name, man?
Hogan Yusko.
Hogan Yusko. Okay.
Stanky panky, baby.
Thank you. So you said these are only 1,000-watt RMS?
The golds.
Gold? Okay, the golds.
Gold series, yeah, 6 of them.
What made you do the port like this instead of a slot?
Because I couldn't fit it.
Okay.
It's hard to fit 615s in the flat wall.
You did a good job, man.
I got it.
Woo!
Been in there last year, right before Slam.
Yeah.
I
Wow.
had 2 smart 3Ks last year. I got 3 MD 12.
Wow. And I bet you this thing.
I gotta put plexiglass right now.
Okay.
Because it's factory.
Yeah.
And it's just deadened. I got 2 layers of 50 and 2 layers of 90.
I like you got this noise protection vibra filter everywhere.
Yeah, 90 mil. It's double inside the box.
Wow. Oh, the whole box is like
Yeah,
that.
the whole box.
Okay.
I got your idea.
All right.
That box you need from last year. I went from a 155 to 160.
Really? Wow.
20 hertz.
Dude, I like that.
Yes, sir. Very
I
versatile.
got 5 CDs from last year. I went from a 155 to 160.
Really?